South Korea has one of the lowest rate of man-pattern baldness in the world. South Korea is one of the most stressful countries to work for in Asia. Their diet also contains high sodium and fried food as well. But why their man has such low rate of man-pattern baldness? What is their secret? Today, we're diving into a topic that has everyone curious. Can a popular Korean dish really promote hair growth and even reverse hair loss? Many researchers show that kimchi can help to thicken existing hairs and grows new ones within weeks. You heard that right. A traditional Korean dish is gaining recognition not just for its bold flavors and health benefits, but also for its potential to boost hair health. Say hello to kimchi, a fermented powerhouse packed with nutrients that could be the secret weapon your scalp needs. But before we jump into how it works, let's quickly cover what kimchi actually is. For those new to it, kimchi is a staple in Korean cuisine, typically made from fermented cabbage and radishes, seasoned with garlic, ginger, chili powder, and other spices. It's tangy, spicy, and oh so delicious. Here's the science behind the magic. Kimchi is rich in probiotics thanks to the fermentation process. These probiotics improve gut health, which plays a surprisingly big role in hair growth. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, and that includes the nutrients your hair needs to grow. But that's not all. Kimchi is also loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc. These nutrients help strengthen hair follicles, reduce inflammation on the scalp, and even fight oxidative stress, a common culprit behind hair loss. Let's take a closer look at some research. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted the benefits of probiotics found in kimchi. Researchers observed that participants consuming probiotic-rich foods, including kimchi, experienced improved hair density and reduced hair shedding over a 16-week period. Another study in the Journal of Microbiology and Biotechnology in 2020 emphasized the role of lactobacillus bacteria, commonly found in kimchi, in promoting scalp health and reducing hair thinning. Now, if you're not a fan of eating kimchi straight from the jar, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to enjoy it. You can make kimchi fried rice, add it to soups, or even try kimchi pancakes. Delicious and nutritious. Not sure where to start? Making your own kimchi at home is easier than you think. All you need are a few basic ingredients and some patience to let it ferment. Of course, while kimchi can support healthier hair, it's not a miracle cure. Hair health is influenced by many factors like genetics, stress, and overall diet. But incorporating kimchi into your meals is a flavorful way to give your hair and body a nutrient boost. So, what do you think? Will you be adding kimchi to your diet for healthier hair? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next one.